Hey, in this video, Samsung Galaxy Tab A11 Plus unboxing here. I got mine from Walmart, about $220. I picked this up as well as the iPad 11 here, actually an e-bike as well. So I did a curbside pickup. So this was all wrapped up, and it's kind of concerning because it has this note on here, and then it was already opened when I got it. Like I said, it was all wrapped up in a bag, so I did not know that till I got home. So hopefully it'll be good. So we'll find out here. So I don't know what feature display means. Like, was this on display? We'll find out. Alright, so we have our cable and paperwork there. Okay, it looks like it's good. I don't know what happened. Maybe it just got ripped open somehow. As you guys can see, it's definitely been a little bit beat up here. So hopefully this is in good shape. Go ahead and we'll take this on off of here. And yeah, I think this was used. You guys see all those fingerprints on there. Oh yeah, so this thing I think was used or something. I don't know, it's weird. You can see like it has just a million fingerprints on it. The sticker is askew. It's not quite straight on there. That is very weird. I mean, this again was not on clearance or anything. It was just the regular price. Maybe on sale, but it wasn't. Anyway, so we have, looks like 2 speakers, USB-C. Actually have a aux jack right there for headphones, headphone jack. Looks like a spot here, I guess, for expansion. Like I say, 2 more speakers. I'm really curious if all 4 speakers actually work on this. I've done no research on this device whatsoever. It was kind of a on the whim thing in there. Volume rocker and power button. And then 1 camera there. Very, very weird. Alright, so I turned it on, plugged it in. It's literally at 1% battery now. And this is what comes up. This is just getting weirder. Yeah, so this was not actually new like it was supposed to be. Walmart sold me a used device as being new. This was already set up. I did not set this thing up whatsoever. It was already set up. The good thing was it was not locked or anything like that. So yeah, Walmart sold me a used device as new. But anyway, that's what you guys get though. You get, of course, the device and a cable, and that's basically it. Yeah, thanks for watching. See you guys next time. Goodbye.